dermatologist just told me 90% of women apply foundation completely wrong. I was one of them. And the worst part? It's quietly damaging your skin, clogging your pores, and making you look older than you are. The mistake starts before you even open the bottle. Step 1. Skip the moisturizer and your foundation will cling to dry patches. Always prep with a hydrating base. Step 2. Too much product. More foundation doesn't mean better coverage. It means cakey skin and visible lines by noon. Start with a pea-sized amount. Build only where needed. Step 3. Your fingers aren't always the answer. A damp sponge gives that natural skin-like finish. A brush gives fuller coverage. Choose based on the look you want. And here's what most people miss. Foundation should match your neck, not your face. That's how you avoid the mask effect. Good foundation isn't about hiding your skin. It's about letting it breathe while looking its best. Follow Cravewell for more beauty truths.